George, right now the important thing is stopping this balloon.
Maybe those sandbags were the balloon's anchors.
Steady, steady.
Well, I'm trying, but I don't want those bags to hurt my boat.
Oh!
Hey, Clint, you know you can't park here. Loading zone.
Don't drop anything else. It makes us lighter so we go up. We need to be heavy to go down.
Officer Wint, my monkey is floating away with the boy next door.
Climb on.
It's okay. I'll get us down. Just stay calm!
Okay, they're just ahead. Easy. Let's try again. Got it. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Well, good luck then.
Oh, oh, whoa. Oh, oh, oh. I've got you, George.
That's not a safe and approved manner to ride a balloon.
I know, Bill. I know. Now, don't worry. I'm gonna help you. Ow! Oh, ow.
This is what happens if you don't follow the rules. The wind's getting stronger. You can tell from that flag down there. It could be worse, huh? At least the wind's not blowing us toward the ocean. Oh no! The wind changed! It's blowing towards the sea! Do you know what that means? Well, yeah, seagulls. But also, we're gonna float across the ocean, and I don't know how to stop us. We'll probably land in some other country where I don't even speak the language and hate the food. I want to go home. I wish I knew how you city kids stay so cool under pressure. What is it? What is it? Hey! Pull that cord! It will open up the vent and he can fly out the top! We're dropping! The vent! It lets hot air out! So that's how you make a balloon go down! George, you saved us! Oh no, the wind's picking up! We're gonna land in the ocean!
I've got you, George.
I was a little worried, but there's a proper way to worry without panicking. My camera! Oh, I forgot to take pictures.
That's a great one.
George, you took the pictures for me. If I didn't and you didn't, how?
Now, if you don't want to lose hold of that, tie it around something.
George was really flying that kite now. Or maybe it was flying him.
You get it okay? Left without saying goodbye. City folk.
Over the years, I've seen everything in the waters around here. Seen trout, salmon, haddock.
Did you see that flying monkey?
Seen flying monkeys, striped bass, blowfish.
George was flying with birds. It was a monkey's best dream come true. Now that he'd lived his dream, his arm was getting sore and he wanted to go home. But he had no idea how to do that.
George? Oh, I could have swore this was where I left that kid with my kite. George, where are ya? He couldn't wait. Boy, for a city kid who never flew a kite before, got her up higher than I ever did. Whoa!
Well, hi, Bill.
You own binoculars?
Sure do.
What's trailing behind that kite?
Oh, it's George. It's George? And he's got a squirrel on his head. Bill, you call the fire department.
Okay. Why?
I don't know. They seem to know how to do everything.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going up there after him.
The world below looked beautiful and unfamiliar. George wasn't even sure which way was home anymore. Oh, and the squirrel in his head was hungry. Flying was the best and the worst thing that had happened to him all day.
George! George!
It was his friend, the man with the yellow hang glider.
George, I need you to reach out and take my hand with a hand, foot, whatever. All right, guys, hang on tight. We're going home.
George would never forget the day he was almost a bird. And he added almost being a bird to the list of things squirrels don't like.
The contestants lined up, and the signal was given to start the race. The leading tower team was the first to take off.
say about claws in the balloon?
They landed in Florence, Italy 9 minutes later. Lieutenant Doxy was sure he would win the race. And then he wasn't.
Sir, the drive belt snapped. We can't go if the prop don't spin. Yes, sir. Of course. We can use the belt from an automobile. I'll get one.
It looked like Doxy couldn't hope to beat that American monkey. There was no chance of winning now. But then... the monkey tightened his rubber band one turn too many. This race wasn't over yet.
No power! Without propellers, my ship will go wherever the wind blows it.
Chuck Monkey had to help, but his plane couldn't fly. Fortunately, Doxy's ship was still on the ground. He explained the emergency as they took off. But Lieutenant Doxy didn't understand. The monkey ruined his ship, and now he was about to do the same to the Doxies.
I got a belt, sir. Come back.
But they couldn't go back because they couldn't control the ship. If they didn't get a belt quickly, they too would blow into the Eiffel Tower. Clothes for a belt? What a great idea!
How can I ever thank you?
Putting the Baron in an emergency life balloon, the clever flyers used their ship's propellers to create a wind to blow him back to the landing field. They saved the Baron, but they were in last place. Still, no obstacle was too big for Chuck Monkey and Lieutenant Doxy. Maybe together they could win this race. It wasn't 1909. Hundley wasn't in a race, and his balloon was still stuck. But if it was a dream, why could he still hear his airship's propeller? The fan. It sounded a lot like a propeller. And it looked a lot like a propeller. And if it moved air, it would move things that were in the air, right? George raced back without the fishing pole because he had another idea. And it was the same idea that Hundley just had. George aimed the fan. Hundley barked orders like a famous aviator. Aiming the wind behind the balloon, George could push it where he wanted it to go.
Air conditioning is all fixed. Hundley, you're relieved from duty.
You want to go to the park and fly that plane, George?
At the gift shop, George got an orrery, his very own solar system. He wondered what it was like on those other planets. Mostly he wondered if there were any little monkeys on them.
Hi, George! We're gonna explore the solar system. Wanna come?
George was going to get a chance to look for monkeys in outer space.
There's Earth, our home. Hey, George, can I borrow your orrery? The planets don't line up in a row, but it's still helpful because we can see their order from the sun. We're right near Earth now, so which way do you want to go? Towards the sun, to Mercury and Venus, or away from the sun, towards the other planets?
If George was going to find space monkeys, he'd better look where the weather was sunny.
That was Venus back there, but Mercury's even closer to the sun.
Mercury was small. But so were monkeys.
Okay, space helmets on. Hey, watch this. I feel so much lighter on Mercury. We can jump a lot higher here because little planets have less gravity.
George thought monkeys could have lots of fun on Mercury. If it wasn't so hot.
I bet it's so hot because we're so close to the sun.
Fortunately, Yoki's ship had great air conditioning. Mercury was definitely too hot for monkeys.
Venus is the second planet from the sun. I bet it's a lot cooler there.
From space, Venus didn't look so hot, just cloudy. Venus had volcanoes, just like back home on Earth.
Yeah, I read that Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet in the solar system.
George knew this would not work for little monkeys.